Welcome WBP Stars. I'm Manuel Ulrich, head chef from Ösch Noir here at Öschberghof at Donaueschingen. And today we prepare our scallops from Norway. We start to break it down, make it open. The hand dive from Norway just arrived today. Beautiful big scallops. I think every chef has his special tool for scallops. Mine is a butter knife note. They're really fresh. So we get these twice a week from Norway, the hand dived, and the biggest one we get, I think. If we get everything out, we just separate the scallop from the nori and the muscle. Just grab in here and get out the scallop meat. You can of course also do it with a spoon or something, but I think you have always better feeling with your hands and know where to grab and how heavy you can grab them. It's beautiful. Now separated scallop. Of course, we can also separate this, cook it, and try to make a powder or something like this, or we can put it for sauce. Today we don't need it, but you just wash it with cold water to get rid of the excess stuff. Get rid of this skin, what's left here. They're now quite soft, freshly from put out, but if you wait one day, they're really firm, they get really firm. So before frying them in the pan, we scald the top so that we get a really nice crust, and then we go to the pan. very delicately, just thin Waffelmus. Yeah, so now it's prepared. The next step, we're gonna see it. And the next step, we season our scallop. Just with salt. And then take a hot pan. Make a good crust on the top. So we almost only fry the outside. Then we turn it, put in some butter, and then it's done. So it should be warm, but also almost raw in the center. So it's warm from both sides, and now let it rest, and then we can start the plate up. So now everything is prepared, and we go in to plate it up. We start with some carrot puree. And then we have some small carrots cooked in carrot juice. Some carrot salad. Then with the first sauce, we have some fermented carrot sauce with tamarind. Then we have some scallop crackers like kropak. We make them from the smaller scallops or the little. Chip with tapioca starch, scallops, some broth. Next we have some red tosaka nori, I guess. Some carrot greens. And with some nori. And for garnishing, some calendula flowers. step, we add some lemongrass foam with lime, coffee lime, and that's it.